input connectors are used to forward jobs from a local computer to your PrintAutoMate environment. Download the input connector from your PrintAutoMate environment. Go to Settings menu and click the icon Connectors to download the input connector. Double-click the input connector's installer. Run through the installation process. After installation, launch the PrintAutoMate application. Click Yes to proceed. Server URL is the domain name plus your environment name. Use the operator's username and password created in PrintAutoMate. Click OK. The input connector is yet not running. Push the Start button to start the service. The input connector service is now running. Configure the hot folders through which you will process the orders to PrintAutoMate. You've 8 hot folders which are aligned with input setting in your PrintAutoMate environment. Check if orders have been processed via the order log.